Hello, today the objective I'll be trying to teach you is identify an elementary reaction and connect it to the frequency and success of collisions. First, let's talk about an elementary reaction. An elementary reaction is a chemical reaction in which one or more of the chemical species react directly to form products. The first type of elementary reaction is a unimolecular. A unimolecular reaction occurs when a molecule rearranges itself to produce one or more products. An example of this would be O3 going to O2 in O. The second type is a bimolecular. A bimolecular reaction involves the collision of two different particles that collide in the correct time and position. The example is H2 plus O2 yields H plus H2O. The final elementary reaction is trimolecular. A trimolecular reaction occurs when three different particles collide in the correct position and speed. The example is O plus O plus O yields O3. Another way to identify elementary reactions is by looking at an energy profile graph. You can tell that this one is unimolecular because there's only one transition state. You can tell that this is a bimolecular elementary reactions because it has two transition states.
I get you every time.
Just for safety. Breaking in.
Something to kill those people.
Make them bets.
Don't break anything.
Perfect. Depending what kind of elementary reaction takes place determines the rate law. So for this one, A yields products equals A times the rate. For this one, it would be A plus A yields products equals A squared times the rate. A plus B yields products, which is bimolecular, equals A times B times the rate. And a termolecular is A plus B plus C yields products, which equals A times B times C times the rate. So as you can see, this is a way to visualize all elementary reactions. Unimolecular is only one reactant, while bimolecular is two reactants, and termolecular is three reactants. Now I have an example problem for you guys to try on your own. The example problem is, which is termolecular? A plus 2B plus C yields D. B, A plus B yields C. C, all of the above. D, 2A plus 2B plus 2C yields D. E, B and D. F, none. Welcome back. The answer to this problem is E, B, and D. The reason why it's not A is because it's A plus 2B plus C, which would be 4 reactants, not 3. Now I have a sample problem. The sample problem is, which elementary reaction will occur the most often? A plus B yields products. B, A yields products. C, A plus B plus C yields products. Or D, they all occur equally. The answer to this problem is B, A yields products. The reason it's not A plus B yields products, because it is a bimolecular reaction, and that means that there's more reactants, and that equals less likely to form the products. The reason it's not C is because it's trimolecular, and that has an even less chance to form products. And it's not D because that doesn't really make sense, because these are all different, so they would all react longer or shorter. That's all I have for my video. Hopefully you learned something about identifying elementary reactions.
Chemistry rocks!